Whoa, that's creepy. Hello, hello. Welcome to my channel, and today I am going to do some unboxing. Um, that. I'm going to do some unboxing for you guys. I've gotten these little blind bag stuff because I wanted to open them every time I read a book. But I'm not going to do that because it's dumb. So I have a couple of things and stuff like that. First I have this Five Nights at Freddy vinyl figure. Then I have the Sister Location Five Nights at Freddy 4 vinyl figure. I have some Disney villains. The Disney villains, this is series number 2. Series 2. I'll show them back to you in the detail. And we also have the Foil Properties Series 2 as well for the figure keychains. And we also have Nightmare Before Christmas. I don't know if this is Series 2. Yeah, Series 2. Okay. And then I have a Plants vs. Zombies Connect, which is like Lego. So let's start with one bag. I'm actually going to start with the ones that I have 2 of. So I have the horror villain. And this one has Yuma from The Emperor's New Groove. We have Lady Tremaine from Cinderella. Hades from Hercules. Madame Mim from, I don't remember, I think she's from King Arthur. Ka from The Jungle Book. Gaston from Beauty and the Beast. Prince John from Robin Hood. Pete from the classic Mickey Mouse shorts. And C and Aim from, what was it? Lady and Trip. So here is a closer look at them for your shows. I'm going to open it, see what we have. It does not have a full tag. Let me get my scissors. Okay, let's see what we get. Oh, we got Yuma. So cute. So cute. So cute. I love her. I'm gonna put her with my other horror stuff. She's so pretty. And she is awesome. She's smiling. She's got the poison in her hand. I love her. Glad I got her. Okay. The next one I'm going to open up is the Foil Properties. This one has Pennywise, which is from It. Lydia, which is from Beetlejuice. Freddy Krueger, which is from Nightmare on Elm Street. We have Reagan from The Exorcist. Beetlejuice from Beetlejuice. Jason from his movies, Halloween, basically. And two versions of Freddy and two versions of Jason. And then we also have, I can't read his name, David from the Lost Boys. So let me see what we get. Cool, we got David. I don't know, I've never seen The Lost Boys, so he's a vampire, I think. So, yeah. He's just got a regular face. Okay, the next one I'm going to do is the Nightmare Before Elm Street. This one has Jack, Sally, Dr. Frankenstein, Wolfmore, Santa, Igor, Killer Duck, the Pumpkin King, Mummy, and I want to see what we get. Let's see. Oops. Oh, very nice. And then it adds cool tabs. We used to have cool tabs, but let's see. We got Killer Duck. Cool. This is Killer Duck. So awesome. I love it. It's got like little blood things on the side. Kind of creepy looking. Okay, sorry. Got teeth in there. Oh my god, oh, cute. And yeah, I love it. It's funny. Okay, now I'm going to do something else. I'm going to do the Five Nights at Freddy's vinyl figure. This one has all these characters. Don't know all their names. Kind of still learning. Oh my god. Alright. We have this bag. It feels kind of small. Oh, cool. He's glow in the dark. Oh, I love him. Look. I can't show him. Oh, he's so cute. I love him. So cute. I love him. And he's kind of mean looking. He's going to go with my other glow in the dark figure. I have a Cthulhu. I need to fix his wing though. Alright. The next one, I'm going to do another of the villains. Here's the characters, in case you've forgotten. Okay, let's see what we get this time. We gotta get a good one. We got the witch from Merlin. So cute. Oh, I love her. Look how cute she is. This is adorable. Anyway, I love her. So cute. Okay. Then I am going to, I'm going to do that one last. That one requires assembly. Then I'm going to do another horror property. Okay. Alright. This one I hope to get like something different, like it or something like that. I don't know. Let's see what we get. We got David again. I'll put him in the bag. You know, he's not gonna go. He's a duplicate. Alright. I'm not gonna throw this one away. Over there. Then we have this sister location. These are all the characters that you can get. I know it's kind of a glare, but deal with it. Ooh. seems like we got the same one. Oh, cool. This is the robot girl or whatever. Her face opens up, you know. She's the girl that's trapped in there. I know all the lore, okay? So cute. I like that one. She's so pretty. I love that one. I kind of want to do her for Halloween if she is needable. Alright, the last one we have is this Plants vs. Zombies. They don't really have, I guess this is, I would want one of the zombies. Let's see what we get. Now I have to assemble this one. Oops, I don't know if I'm cutting something, so. Okay. That's great. Oops. Going on. Okay, we have like oh, we got a zombie. I don't know if something fell down there. Hold on. Hand, head, and body. Okay. There's an arm somewhere. Yeah, I'm missing an arm. I'll find it later. Oh. Yeah, I'll look for the arm later. Oh. No, that's not it. It's probably down there somewhere. So I'll probably sell. There it goes. It goes on that arm. And then the head. Like that. It's kind of hard to get on, but let me show you who I got. I got this guy right there. And this is the checklist. This is how you put him on. So I got him. He's so cute. But I can't get him to work. And I don't know if there's another arm in here. Nope. Wait. So anyway, that is it. I will see you in the video. I'll show him off later. When I find his arm and stuff, because I lost his arm. Anyway, I hope you have a great day, rest of the day. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to subscribe to my channel, click the subscribe button for more videos every day this month. Happy Halloween. Bye-bye.